In the previous video, we talked about HANA transport container. It helps the HANA model to be saved in the correct transport and move together with the view proxy. So that way we do not have issue when we move it to the next system, that is the quality system and then production system. So if someone asks you what is HANA transport container or what is an HTC, so your answer can be HTC is an object in ABAP which can store HANA model delivery units. So this is the line. So HTC is an object which can store HANA model delivery units. So HTC can only be created in ADT. So you cannot create HTC in GUI. Okay, that's the second point. And you need to put the delivery unit in the HTC. You need to put the delivery unit in the HTC. That is the third point. And you can save the HTC in an ABAP package and then save it in a transport. So that's how it is better than the export what we did earlier. So we save the model in an HTC, which is again is in an ABAP package, and then it can be saved in a transport. The view proxy which we created in the application layer can also be saved in the same transport. Ideally, it should be saved in the same transport so that we do not have issue when we move into the next environment. Once the HTC reaches the quality, it unpacks and creates the HANA model in the database layer, and then the view proxy is created in the application layer, just like the normal transport, right? So whenever we move a transport from development to quality, all the objects which are residing in the transport gets created in the next system, in the quality system. So HTC is like an ABAP object. So it is like a, say you can consider it like a structure. So once you move the HTC to production, say, and then tomorrow you want to save some new changes in the HANA model, you can save those new changes in the same HTC. Just like the structure which has already moved in production, we can edit that structure and add new fields. Same way, the HTC which has already moved in production can again be used to save the changes in the HANA model. Just like in the structure, you save the new fields in the structure and then you save the structure in a new transport and move it to production. In the same way, if you save anything new in the HTC, you have to save that HTC in a new transport and then transport it to your quality and production system. Whatever I was trying to say in the few lines, it is summarized in the point number 8. HTC is like any other object in ABAP. It needs to be activated, and once it is created, it stays there in the system until you forcefully delete it. And if any change is made in the model and saved in the HTC, you need to save that HTC again in a new transport and move it to your quality and production system. So the transport which is holding the HTC and the view proxy will have the HTC which contains HANA delivery units, and it will also have the view proxy which consumes the HANA model in ABAP layer, and then they are moved together, so you do not have any synchronization issues or any dependency issues. And the point to remember is you need to create HTC only and only in ADT. You cannot do it in GUI.